Oh, wow! Yaman yung sauce. Lubao, kabalin! Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, for the second time, feature po natin si Razon's Lubao branch. Sino ba naman ang hindi nakakakilala sa mga Razon's halo-halo dito sa Pampanga? Ayan! Now, aside from the halo-halo, so they sent us their party trays and mga bilao dishes nila. So, let me introduce them to you. But before that, umpisahan na natin tong halo-halo na to. They have langka, langka, ube, and then of course, the classic, the original one. Siyempre, they have experimented, they have tried yung mga iba-ibang flavors and ingredients na ina-add nila. So, this one is their ube. Ayan, guys. Oh man, let's taste it. You know what? It never fails. Sobrang enjoy nito. Sobrang creamy and very distinct. Talagang lagi mong maaalala yung kanilang makapuno, yung leche flan, or else yung saging. So para sa akin, parang may added creaminess na dala ng ube. So, in the middle, meron tayong bilao mix. Of course, meron tayo ditong palabok, puto, barbecue sticks, at saka meron tayong Shanghai, lumpiang Shanghai. Okay, so let me try this first. Meron din silang available na dip or yung sausawan or yung sauce ng barbecue. Yeah, let's try this. Right, and at the same time, yung barbecue, para siyang tocino barbecue. Ang lambot ng meat. One of my favorite is yung smoky aftertaste, so it has that one. This one, Shanghai naman guys, Shanghai. So, sweet and sour and spicy. Oh wow. This is our carbonara party tray. If I'm not mistaken, this is a medium-sized pan. Ayan. Oh. So on top nung carbonara natin, loads of bacon, meron ding mushroom, and then, of course, so creamy. Sarap talaga guys kapag still warm. We can really appreciate all the flavors. Now, I wanna taste yung kanilang baked macaronis. Yung macaroni shell nila na ginamit nila are those mga medyo maliliit. I think it complements with the meat. Oh, wow. So, that one's cheesy. Parang meron din siyang a pinch of spiciness. Medyo may konting pagkamaanghang. Wow, I can't stop, grabe. In all honesty, first time kong maka-encounter na ganito. This is their baked nachos. So you have some nachos chips, and then yung pinaka supposedly natin, cheese on top natin. Parang ganun siya, deconstructed. So I think paano ba? I'm gonna go with this one first. And then, of course, yung mga ibang condiments natin, like this, tomato, some red bell pepper, at saka onion. Hindi mawawala yan, syempre, guys. Wow. Wow. Grabe, walang pagsisisi, guys. You're gonna enjoy this. So, I wanna proceed naman ngayon is isa sa mga naging popular din sa kanila ever since is yung kanilang palabok. Okay, let's squeeze them. Calamansi here. When you say Razon, parang nai-imagine mo na kagad kung ano yung lasa ng palabok, anong lasa ng halo-halo. Let's try this puto. So this one is a cheese flavor. Of Of course, great partnered with the palabok. Sorry guys, I can't stop. Sobrang sarap nito. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video and gusto nyo ma-experience kung ano yung na-experience ko ngayon, make sure to call the numbers we're gonna be providing or yung fan page na ipopost namin sa screen na to for more inquiries on how to order, delivery, meet up, and everything. But still, ma-enjoy pa rin natin yung mga pagkain na katulad na to at the comfort of our home with the companion of our family. Again, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like the food you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Again, stay safe. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!